Welcome back to the vlog. In this episode, I'm talking about some transitions. So it's the beginning of April and the beginning of spring, so I was thinking a lot in the last week or so about transitions and ways to go from one shot to the next. And you can do a ton with visual effects, obviously. Doing a little wipe from one shot to another, either with some graphics like I just did, or with a glitchy effect. Then you've always got the fun whip pan, which you've got to always remember to have that go, making sure you're going the same direction that you just tried. So I'm down here at PV Park, which I've done a couple shoots at mostly with Tatiana, and then it's very close to the convention center, so I also did those couple cosplay photos that I did with Koala Bear and Milltown Cosplay. I did those photos here, and obviously it's the start of the season, so usually this has some like water effects, but the ground just thawed out. So obviously those effects are not up yet, but it actually kind of has an interesting look as well, dry. So apart from transitions, I also wanted to play around with some other effects, mostly that I just saw in a Corridor Crew video, and that was actually more practical in-camera effects. Some flipping footage just to get a different look, and some reversal of film stuff as well. So the first set of footage that you saw me do was actually reversed, just to kind of play around with that, starting with the tree and then ending on the ground, as opposed to vice versa. And then the other one, and I flipped it and went the opposite direction, just to kind of match the movement. But there's always so many ways that you can play around with so many types of footage, and that's kind of the thing that I decided to do today, was just kind of experiment. Like I said, whether it's between transitions or some weird visual effects that are actually super easy to do in camera, or just playing around with your normal type of camera movements. You can kind of do anything with filmmaking as long as you can make it make sense. And then even sometimes you don't need to make it make that much sense. Like, it shouldn't just be a cool shot. But that's about all I've got for today. Thanks for checking this out. Make sure to like and subscribe, and follow me at Knocked Out Films. Thanks.